Ladies and girls, how to kiss your lovely baby. Step number 1, grab his waist. Pull him closer to your body. Look into his eyes. Look at his lips while biting yours. Look into his eyes again. Grab his face gentle. I said gentle. Don't use a lot of force. Be gentle. Then slowly lean in and whisper into his ears. Baby, let's pray. Yes, I said, let's pray. Thank God for giving you a good man. Let him also thank God for giving him a good woman. Are you here, girls? Are you here, ladies? Not kissing all the time. No, pray. Thank God for your good relationship. Are you understand, girls? Are you understand, ladies? Not every kissing. Thank God. Guys, thank God. Not kissing all the time. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.